You are invited to join us in the Great Invocation on the 23rd of May on World Invocation Day and every day thereafter, for the benefit of all humanity to aid in the restoration of the divine plan on earth. The Festival of Goodwill is known as World Invocation Day. World Invocation Day is a global event dedicated to prayer and meditation, where individuals from various spiritual paths unite to invoke divine energies through the recitation of the Great Invocation. This day of focus, power and appeal to the divine to invoke heartfelt spiritual energies of light, love and purpose on behalf of all humanity and for the evolution of the new earth and new consciousness on earth. The universal use of the Great Invocation on World Invocation Day charges this day with deep spiritual significance, for it builds a channel through which light, love and power can reach and illuminate the hearts and minds of people everywhere. The Great Invocation is recited on World Invocation Day and is celebrated annually on the day of the Gemini full moon. This powerful mantra continues to be recited daily with mindfulness and dedication. When people of goodwill and the will to do good join together in a universal appeal and recite the Great Invocation. This collective appeal seeks to channel light, love and purpose into human consciousness, fostering a world based on peace, unity and justice. Amidst the ongoing crises taking place in humanity across Mother Earth, each person who sounds a Great Invocation participates in a great energy transmutation which can bring lasting changes in consciousness. Together we invoke light to reveal the way forward, love to fill our hearts and enlightened purpose to guide us. It is suggested to recite the Great Invocation every day, and by doing so you'll be contributing to the great spiritual work of building right human relations. This Great Invocation practice aligns humanity with the divine plan, enabling us to respond to higher spiritual energies both consciously and unconsciously. Great Invocation is a powerful prayer mantra dictated by the great Tibetan master Dwal Kul to Alice Bailey in 1945, and since this time this mantra has spread globally. Since its inception in 1952, World Invocation Day has been a day of focused spiritual contact where people of goodwill from across the globe affirm their oneness with humanity, our relationship with the divine, and our responsibility for implementing the divine plan on earth. It emphasizes the collective power of goodwill and spiritual unity, transcending differences of race, nation and creed. As we face global challenges, World Invocation Day reminds us that humanity has the power to solve its problems with divine assistance by following the divine plan. The use of the Great Invocation is one of humanity's most potent tools in preparing human consciousness for the reappearance of this world teacher, the one in whom all of the major faiths share a belief. They call this avatar by different names. The reappearance of the world teacher is known under various faiths with names such as the Christ, the Lord Maitreya, Krishna, Messiah, Imam Mahdi, and the Bodhisattva. The Great Invocation is a vital tool in spiritually preparing human consciousness for this event, addressing the world's need for light, love, goodwill, and the will to do good. The recitation of the Great Invocation on a daily basis is an act of world service that directly responds to humanity's urgent need for illumination, love, and the power to spiritually guide human decisions. By verbally stating the Great Invocation, people act as instruments of world service. This invocation charges World Invocation Day with profound spiritual significance, creating a channel for divine energies to reach and enlighten people everywhere. By reciting the Great Invocation on World Invocation Day, the energies of divinity are abundantly available and released to humanity to create a new civilization on Earth. Joining the global practice of reciting the Great Invocation on World Invocation Day and every day thereafter, contribute to the collective work of fostering right human relations and building a better and more humane world on Mother Earth. Now sit in a comfortable position with your hands at chest level facing outright, projecting the energy flowing through your crown to your body, out through your hands to Mother Earth in front of you. Visualize in your mind's eye energy flowing from the spiritual hierarchy of the planet, the planetary heart, at the great ashram of Sanat Kumara, towards the Christ at the heart of the hierarchy, and extend that light towards Shambhala, which is seated in the celestial planes above Tibet. This is where the center where the will of God is known. Now visualize the planetary energy streaming into Shambhala and radiating through the hierarchy, down across Mother Earth, across every nation, every person, to all people of goodwill, to all light workers, and to all of humanity and all sentient beings on Mother Earth. Visualize the energies of light, love, and the will to do good pouring through the planet and becoming anchored across Mother Earth, where the divine plan can manifest. Now, as you hold this visualization, sending the energies through your hand down to Mother Earth, we start the Great Invocation with 3 Oms and recite the Great Invocation 3 times. From the point of light within the mind of God, let light stream forth into the minds of humanity, let light descend on earth. From the point of love within the heart of God, let love stream forth into the hearts of humanity, may Christ return to earth. From the centre where the will of God is known, let purpose guide the little wills of humanity, the purpose which the masters know and serve. From the centre which we call the race of humanity, let the plan of love and light work out, and may it seal the door where evil dwells. Let light, love, and power restore the plan on earth. From the point of light within the mind of God, let light stream forth into the minds of humanity, let light descend on earth. From the point of love within the heart of God, let love stream forth into the hearts of humanity, may Christ return to earth. From the centre where the will of God is known, let purpose guide the little wills of humanity, the purpose which the masters know and serve. From the centre which we call the race of humanity, let the plan of love and light work out, and may it seal the door where evil dwells. Let light, love, and power restore the plan on earth. From the point of light within the mind of God, let light stream forth into the minds of humanity, let light descend on earth. From the point of love within the heart of God, let love stream forth into the hearts of humanity, may Christ return to earth. From the centre where the will of God is known, let purpose guide the little wills of humanity, the purpose which the masters know and serve. From the centre which we call the race of humanity, let the plan of love and light work out, and may it seal the door where evil dwells. Let light, love, and power restore the plan on earth. Let light, love, and power restore the plan on earth. Let light, love, and power restore the plan on earth. Now, sitting comfortably, visualise the energy flowing through your feet, bottom of your feet and your hands, and anchor it deep into the core of Mother Earth. Mentally say to yourself, may Mother Earth be blessed, may Mother Earth be healed, may Mother Earth be regenerated. Blessings be to Mother Earth. This concludes